It's been about 11 years since my first day of school, and I can't really get into my head that yesterday was the last of them. First off, I'd like to thank all my teachers for putting up with me through high school and some even further. I'd like to thank especially Mr. Michael, Mr. Josh, and Mr. Simpson. Thank you for dealing with me and pushing me in science or whatever it was. I'd like to also thank my friends, the senior class, junior class. Without you guys, high school memories wouldn't be the same. Ben, Brad, Kaylin, I'm not going to mention any others because let's move on. Thank you for everything. And then I'd like to thank most of all my parents for helping me whenever I needed help and being there for me all the time. And also my brother for dealing with me, even though I know I'm a pain in the ass sometimes. Thank you.